Imagine a life where your family is thriving, healthy, secure, and financially free. Introducing the Families Helping Families Home Inc. TM Health and Wealth Lifestyle Daily Growth System, designed to help you and your loved ones live a life of abundance. Are you truly satisfied with your family's health and financial lifestyle right now? It's time to move from worry and struggle to health, joy, and financial peace. With our daily Health and Wealth Financial Action Master Plan, you'll discover the path to growing not only wealth, but also faith and family unity. In a world full of uncertainty, every family deserves a principled, Holy Spirit-led lifestyle system to secure their health and wealth. With God as our guide, we introduce a roadmap for personal and family success. Welcome to our daily Do It Together formula, a simple, effective blueprint for creating health and wealth hand in hand as a family. $50 or $100. Your journey begins here. Get the book Financial Freedom in 21 Days, Courage and Charity Combined. $500. Continue leveraging your wealth. $5,000 or $10,000. Start setting up your private estate and secure your future. $50,000. Your funding grows. $500,000. Principal protection and retirement income 4 times a year. $5 million. Your private wealth access invitation. $50 million. Unlock your family's ultimate financial freedom. At every stage, you're not alone. You're part of a movement. Families helping families, all rooted in faith and love. Because together, we don't just survive, we thrive. Your family's future begins with giving. It's the foundation of our faith and the heart of the Families Helping Families movement. But thou shalt remember the Lord thy God, for it is he that giveth thee power to get wealth. Deuteronomy 8:18. Now is the time to secure your family's future. Together, we'll build a legacy of health, wealth, and love that lasts for generations. You are not just a participant, you are part of a movement, Families Helping Families. Join the Families Helping Families movement today. Take our survey and start your family's journey to health, wealth, and abundant living. Your family deserves this. Let's take the first step together.